I finally arrived back from Bali, and today we're gonna do some quick unboxing of these stuff that I'm going to review next. Let's get into it. Selamat pagi! Good morning everyone, Kenneth here and welcome to another, I guess this is unboxing 4 or 5 in the series, in the channel I mean. Today I've got some new stuff from UGREEN here, and then I've also actually unboxed this, but I just want to have a quick update to you guys later on. And this is the 1MORE ComfoBuds Pro that I'm very excited to test out. Thanks to 1MORE ID for sponsoring this. I mean, not sponsoring, but you know, just sending me the unit. So yeah, let's get started with the UGREEN first. We have this USB-C multifunction adapter or USB-C dongle. And anyway, let's just unbox this right away and see what we have inside. So this is again kind of the must-have tool if you have like the newest laptops or anything with USB-C. Basically, you can use this with your Samsung Galaxy Notes. I've tried it and it works. Or even new modern laptops nowadays have USB-C as well, right? So there you go. Here it is, and again, as expected from UGREEN, the build quality is really nice, and it's got a nice heft to it. And first of all, we've got this USB-C charging pass-through. This works at up to 100 watts. So even my 16-inch MacBook Pro can be charged with this. And also I've got 2 USB 3.0 ports, and then we have HDMI port here, and then an Ethernet jack on the bottom. I'll tell you down in the comments below whether this heats up a lot or not, but I do recommend using dongles with cables like this so it gets detached from your laptop, so when it heats up it doesn't, you know, like make your laptop heat up as well. And also this kind of things are like more versatile because you can basically charge it if you have like cramped space or anything. You can just plug it in because it's so small. So this is a comparison with my personal USB-C dongle that I've been using, and the quality difference is just a lot. This feels like empty inside. It's just like, okay, whatever, aluminum, and this one feels really solid. It's just a no comparison. The one thing that it lacks is actually some SD reader, but yeah, other than that, I think it should cover most uses. And let's move on to the next product. We're gonna unbox the gallium nitride power delivery fast charger right here. So let's open it up right now. Here you go. This is a total of 65 watt charger. Let's pull it out here. Right, see what's inside. There you go. And this is it. So you probably expect something smaller for a gallium nitride charger, but this has 3 USB-C out ports and then 1 USB-A port. With USB-C 1 and the C2 here can operate at 65 watts to charge your MacBooks, your Nintendo Switches, and also the USB-C 3 here can charge for up to 18 watts. So this is only for charging iPhones, for example, or some USB power delivery compliant devices like Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 or Samsung devices, if I'm not mistaken. Those support USB PD charging. Now finally, for the USB-A port here, I believe this supports Qualcomm Quick Charge as well, and this can output up to 22 watts. But keep in mind, if you're charging your MacBook, it will not output at a total of 65 watts because the total power that can be outputted off this charger can only be 65 watts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the charger here. Very nice build quality. Like you can just carry this and charge everything you need, except if you have a larger laptop like me that needs like a 100 watt charger. All right, so before we move on to the 1MORE ComfoBuds Pro, I want to talk a little bit about the SoundPEATS T2 here. And I've unboxed it, brought this to Bali, and the ANC, the transparency mode, they are great. They sound great too. But the problem is with ANC on, and like when you put it at almost max volume above 90%, it tends to distort. Even when I'm watching just YouTube videos, for example, it will distort. And this is actually a problem that they will recall. And I've talked to SoundPEATS about it. They are going to send me a new one. So hopefully that new one will fix the issue. So there you go about the SoundPEATS T2. Not gonna talk too long about it. Let's get straight to the 1MORE ComfoBuds Pro. Here we go. Let's open this baby up. Oh my goodness. So taking a look at the box here, we have again 3 modes of ANC: strong, mild, and W and R, which I assume should be wind noise reduction. And also we have a 3 mic setup here, and 1MORE has always been excellent with their noise cancellation, I guess because it's machine learned, and 15-minute charge enables 2 hours of playtime, which is awesome. These things will last 6 hours, so nothing groundbreaking there, but actually when you see here, the headphones has 50 milliamp hour battery with 450 milliamp hour on the case. This is it. Let's open up the box here. So we have some like touch controls here. We have like listening modes, whatever. And also we have a 1MORE music app. Oh, but the controls are only double tap? Are you sure? This can't be real, right? Let's try it out later on. So this is the kind of thing that I love from 1MORE. If you want to remove the earbuds, you press the end of the stem to get the earbuds out. Check this out. So I press this and like I take it out. Like, that's really nice attention to detail there. And I love 1MORE and like other brands actually that put attention to detail like this, because these just improve the quality of like that user experience. And as you can see here, the LED is like at the tip of the earbuds there. That is really, really cool. Can you see that? Okay, let's check out the rest of the box first here. So we've got this 1MORE sticker as usual, 1MORE warranty card, and like this super thick manual book. All right. And inside here we should have our, wow, we have our carrying pouch, as well as, oh, this is a protective sleeve, like a silicone case. Let's check it out. Wow. So not only you get a protective sleeve like this, but you get a silicone case. So just by itself, you can see here that it uses a matte finish, but it's not like completely black. It's kind of like a silverish pebble-like color. Also, you can see here at the back side, is this metal? Let's check it out. I think it is not metal. I think that is plastic. So there you go. It's a bit crooked here, actually, the logo. But you know why. So let's see what else do we have inside the box. Of course, we got the usual ear tips and your standard USB-C cable. Not too long, not too short. Yeah, it's pretty good. This is the ear tips. It's got a nice orangey red accent there. It's got the quality of like those spin fit tips actually. And this solid metal. So that is really great to see. All right, so we have 1MORE ComfoBuds Pro there. As you can see there, I got it working. Let's visit a trip to 1MORE Music. So they tell you there that the touch control is not up there, but rather it's on the stem here. So yeah, you can adjust the earbuds like this without tapping on the touch area, which is great. Anyway, let's try out the listening modes here and let's hold it for 2 seconds. I think this is as good as my AirPods Pro, but it doesn't have that like sucked in feeling that you get with the AirPods Pro. But we'll see. And actually, wow, the pass-through mode is pretty good. Yeah, it doesn't quite release the kind of pressure that the AirPods Pro does, but it does sound very, very natural. More natural than the T2, which is already like kind of top of the line before. And also this is wind noise reduction. So if you're going on a bike or you have a windy day or something, this will prove very, very useful. Let's check out the mild ANC now. Actually, it's interesting that the strong version, with the strong ANC, I can hear, like, I have my AC on and I can hear more of the upper end, like the shh of like that sound. Whereas on the mild noise reduction, I don't hear any of that. So yeah, definitely experiment with these two settings. All right, so here you go. With the smart playback, you can set whether it only does auto pause and auto pause or play, or it does nothing at all. And also there's custom settings. There you go. You can customize the tap 3 times. Also, it goes as a pair. So if you change one, the left side will also change. Also double tap, whether it's play and pause or like next, previous. Not perfect, but this is better than nothing. All right, so I think that's pretty much it for the unboxing and a quick overview of the build quality, the app functionality of the 1MORE ComfoBuds. So far, I am liking it. I'm so excited to test it one out. And also, like, again, they've included this pouch and like a silicone case for you. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. All right, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please look forward to more videos in the future. I'm gonna review these and I've got a lot of interesting earbuds, so definitely subscribe for that. And thank you so much once more. I'm Kenneth. I will see you in the next one. Bye.